ladies and gentlemen, this is Anna from China Smiletools. Today, let me introduce to you how and why to use the candle care kit. The importance of wick trimming. There are several reasons that trimming the wick. Have you ever wondered why sometimes blow off your candle triggered the smoke alarm? Or you get intense smoky smell that's overwhelm the aroma of the candle? This is often caused by the wick that is too long and has created buildup of carbon. The wax in the candle evaporates faster than the wick, and there are many wick left. When you trim the wick, the candle also gives you a better smell when it burns. Short wicks also can make safe candle. Long wick can create huge flames, which can be dangerous, especially in locations near flammable materials. Why not use the cedar? In short, cedar are not for trimming the wick. The structure making it difficult to reach the wick in a J, and leaving pieces of wick on a candle can also distract the candle's burning. Candle wick trimmer are designed like cedar, but with a small plate built in. At the tip, this allows you to treat your wick cleaner and without debris fall out. They also feature a quad shape, which allow you to use trimmer in any deep, small candle J. Reason to use wick trimmer. Still convinced? Here's some couple reasons to use wick trimmer in the future. It's easier, more secure. The longer candle burn, you will enjoy more. You will have bright candle. When do you trim the wick? If you're new to candles, here's some tip for beginners. Trim the candle before each use. Trim the wick 1/4 inch before lighter. This will keep your candle burning softly and brightly. Thank you for watching and support. This is Anna from China Smiletools. Thank you and see you next time.